What's up, guys? Today we're just gonna do this Would You Rather Dare mixed up with dares and Would You Rather things, and we're gonna start with Kyla. So let's get to it.
Name also changed stuff.
No,
He changed his mind.
Yeah, she said she
I
didn't
would've
care.
No, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Drink sip of beer or tea?
We don't have any tea left.
Just pass it. No, Mom. She has to drink beer, not tea. Although that would be like weird on YouTube.
I don't have to drink
Hey,
beer.
you don't drink beer. You're not drinking beer.
Jacob. I know.
Put that over there.
Give her some tea.
You're not drinking beer.
That one was easy.
Also, you have to sit down.
I'm getting the cup. Jeez.
Thank you.
Why are you laughing? That's a skint.
That's not a
Give
skin.
that in it.
Josh.
Josh is your.
Eat salt or pepper?
Oh.
Like a handful.
Pepper.
A spoonful.
No, you gotta do it out of that. No, because it's gonna come out really fast.
False.
What? I'd rather.
No, I'm doing it.
You gotta get in front of the camera, brother. Oh my God, he's on coffee.
This is gonna be fun.
You know that I hate.
Let me see how much
you
you
like.
want.
Huh?
Cinnamon challenge.
It can kill you.
No, it can't.
Yes, it can.
If it gets down your website.
We could have added the ice challenge.
Oh.
It's not even a lot.
Then you want to eat that?
No.
That's what I thought.
How are you chewing that? Just swallow
I
it.
know you should.
It was on his teeth.
It is pee. What the freak?
Ew!
It's nasty. He's doing something back there. Oh, okay, I'm going.
Okay, let's go, Jacob.
So I get over there. Chug water or eat
That one would have been great for Papa.
spoonfuls of ice cream. I'd rather chug water.
Give him a
No,
big cup.
Yes,
It has to be a big cup.
That's not even. That's a cup. We need like a water bottle.
Man, I cannot get a bad one. Like,
Don't go yet. Don't go yet.
I'm not. I'm just shaking it up. If I have to get like,
Was that you?
It was awesome.
I can't get a bad one.
How much do you want?
Hey, stop! That's a lot.
Yeah. There you go, brother.
Don't forget to breathe.
Don't forget to go. Hey, he's stopping. Go.
Why is he chasing?
I know.
It's cold.
It's water. It came out of the fridge.
I can't do this. Pour the rest of it out.
You can drink this much. Come on, look how much is in there.
Oh my God.
You gotta do it. Come on, just do
Pour the
it.
rest of it out, Kyla. What is she laughing about?
There you go.
Oh my God, you're
You do. Just keep it over there. It's fine. Shake it up. Shake it up. Real good. Go. No up. Okay. Oh my God. What are you
I
doing?
can't breathe.
Okay, so Kiss, Mary, Kill, a Jelly, Bubble Cup, or Sluggo Man.
What?
Do you know any of them?
They're YouTubers.
Kiss. I don't know what they look like.
I'll show you. I'll show you.
No. It's gonna take
No.
way too long.
Mary Coley or whatever.
Quetzalcoatl.
Yeah.
Goalie.
And then second.
Jelly.
This is a jelly.
Jelly. What's that mean? I'm confused.
That's his YouTube name.
Oh, okay, him. What do I have to do now?
Okay, now
What do
wait.
you mean him? You didn't say Soga Man. You married him, and then you kill or kiss
Oh.
Jelly.
Oh.
I'll show you what they look like.
Kill Jelly. Marry
Jelly.
Kuboko
Soga Man.
and Slogo Man, yeah. And then kiss the other dude.
Okay, so you said that you'd rather kill this guy, the green shirt,
Yeah.
marry the black shirt guy, Silly Man, and you said that you'd rather kiss this guy.
Oh, I'd rather kill him, kiss him, and marry him.
Okay, whatever.
Alright.
Hey, that makes sense. I don't even know.
Go, Kyla.
So he said that he'd rather kill Quetzalcoatl. He said he would
I'm
kill
gonna
Quetzalcoatl,
die.
kiss Jelly and marry Slogan Man.
Oh, if you get cracked out.
But you can't do that.
Eat an ice cube or brain freeze. I'll eat an ice cube.
It's the same thing, bruh.
But I'll eat an ice cube.
Oh my god. Kyle's the one who came up with this.
I didn't come up with all of them.
That we came up with that.
Bite it.
Eat it.
I'm eating it. My teeth are cold.
Lick safe. No, I'm getting new one too.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die watching this.
Can you put 15 minutes on?
That's only if it's on the phone.
Mm-mm.
You can't bite it.
Can you bust a tooth?
I mean, I could pull out my tooth with that ice cube by showing it on this side.
It's so cold.
Hey, Miss Amy, he wants a new bar of soap.
He wants a new bar of soap, guys. This is hilarious.
There is no new soap, I'm telling you.
Why doesn't he just get a handful of like soap and look at?
Yo, he should do that Dawn soap, the orange Dawn.
Hey, Josh, come do this Dawn soap.
This soap.
The dish soap. The dish soap.
Well, it's called a brand of Dawn.
Dawn.
Dog, the clean, the queen.
You got a new one?
Yeah, guys, here's the soap.
Yeah. Okay, look at. Yeah.
He got bited.
He
No,
didn't
he didn't
lick it.
lick it.
Lick it.
Okay, pass it on.
I'm touching that thing.
Oh my god!
Does that have an acting?
Tastes pretty good, actually.
No, stop. Oh my god, he did it again.
He's stupid.
Go, Jason.
Oh my god, that's lied for me.
No, he looked.
I'm not looking at. Oh, okay, let go.
Okay, now about to drink.
Cracking it.
Oh my god,
Oh my god!
Go outside, let's go outside.
We got.
Let's go outside.
Oh my god.
Clean my. Oh, I'm cleaning this.
This is gonna be funny. I'm not touching it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, baby.
I wanna do it.
No, let me do it. No. Okay. Here's it. Oh my gosh. Oh, and you have to pick somebody to do it.
Nope, I'm
No, here, do it himself. Dump it over your head.
Oh my god. You gotta do a square on
I gotta do
your
it away from the dog shit so I can't eat it.
Hey!
What? Huh? Ready? Count.
Don't get a paper towel.
Film this. No, film this. Film
this.
Okay.
Wait, I got it. Film this. Get away from me!
Oh my god.
You're cracking so hard.
Are you okay?
It's cold. It's cold.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god, that was hilarious. I'm just glad I didn't get that one.
Oh, my hand is sticky.
Yeah, that's
Oh
what
my god.
I'm taking a shower after this. Probably won't though.
He didn't get any of the yellow stuff on his head. I know.
I've never said that. I said you.
He didn't even do it.
He said,
I gotta do this. Ah. Jacob, are you okay
I
now?
hope you get something bad, because I just had a crack in egg over my head.
Oh my god.
Wait, can I see that video?
No, you're fine. Dude, didn't get any yellow stuff on your head.
Oh.
Baby.
It didn't come down on my head.
That was supposed to me.
That's it?
Yeah.
and then there's where it didn't actually crack.
You dummy. Why? Look, he literally only went like this.
I want to see where I went like that.
You,
Yeah, it's
that's
on there.
What is it? Chew paper for 30
That's
seconds.
not that bad. Let me do this.
No, this one. I'll cut you out a piece.
Can't be that big. It's not that bad.
It has to be the whole piece of paper.
newspaper.
Don't use newspaper. There's ink on it, you dummy.
Why not?
Because it's just might get ink in it.
Here, Austin, do this paper towel.
That's not paper.
No, it's not paper.
Oh my god. It's a paper towel. It counts.
Get a timer. Done.
I got a timer.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, get the timer out.
Let me get the timer. Oh my god, this is gonna be the longest 30 seconds of my life.
True that.
Huh.
I got the timer.
I'm already on it. Dude, I'm already on it.
Do a stopwatch.
No.
No, because it won't let you do 30
Yeah.
seconds.
Yes, it will.
You bet on it.
That's 30 minutes.
Dummy.
I got it. Come here.
I got it. Wait. I got it.
Just do it, Miss Jamie, because
I got it. Go. Half of a minute.
3, 2, 1.
It ain't even that bad.
You need to sit down.
This is a tutorial on how to chew paper. How do you do it?
You chew the paper.
Chew it like gum. That's not chewing.
Hey, let me see.
You're up.
It was getting soft.
Throw it in the trash can, dummy.
Oh my god, it tastes like that bubblegum fluoride.
From school?
Yeah.
Hey, Austin.
Lots of face.
Can I do it? Kyla,
Let me do it. I can't do it. I'll go do it. I promise.
Can I do it, please? Oh my god, I wouldn't trust him.
No. Okay. I got
What was that?
She had a concussion. Come on now.
Oh my god.
I can't get slapped.
If I could
My
stop,
brain's
like,
gonna do
lick
it
off
like
the
a
foot,
frozen
I'm gonna
brain.
No, you fart or burp. I'd rather burp.
Who has
That was the weirdest bird.
Lick somebody's butt. Oh my God.
Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be?
Austin, what's up, buddy? Can I lick Gunner's foot?
No, you gotta let
No, that's gonna get hair in my mouth. No.
You might get hair on this foot.
He ain't got no hair on his foot. Put it on the potty bowl.
Come into the camera.
Right.
You gotta lick the bottom.
Countdown. No! You got hair on it!
Boy.
Ready, time to go.
No, wait.
I got hair on the top.
You gotta lick from here to here.
No.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
called licking.
No, bro.
Yeah, that's called licking.
No, I'm just gonna lick it
Dude,
like
suck
that.
it.
That's
Okay.
Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Is it good? Boy!
Does it taste disgusting?
Did it feel weird?
Yes, it felt weird.
Is it warm?
No. God. You're last.
Your turn.
though.
Kyle.
Yeah, this one.
No, it's gonna go me.
It's Austin.
He just. Oh.
No, he got dragged into it. Stop! He's trying to cheat.
That was Kyle's turn.
No, it's Austin.
Stop cheating.
Wait, Sharpie. Please.
No, I've already got that one.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
Not in this video.
No.
The skin. Why is it?
Oh my God.
What do you guys
Eat
do?
sardines or olives. God. I got olives.
He said I
Right here.
got olives.
Oh my God.
Here, I have one. Can I have one?
Hey, I'm gonna pour myself a cup too. Like, just give me one. Give me one. Is it that bad? What does it taste like?
Pickles.
Oh, really?
Kind of.
Is it really that bad?
No, it's okay. It's good.
There you go. Bon appetit.
I think you like it.
I don't know.
Ew, what's inside of it?
Eat it.
What did you know? You guys.
All have them inside of it, bro.
All olives have that in it.
What is it?
It's good.
Part
It's
of the
fine.
olive.
Not in my face! No! It's awesome.
It's better than sardines. I don't even have any sardines.
Do you really not like olives that much?
Do you?
No, I hate olives.
No, stop looking.
No, they're caught up in the rim. I'm pulling them out.
Move Austin.
Okay. Choose one or the other. One's kiss, marry, or kill, and I choose Jacob.
Oh my god.
Keep it better than this.
Gunner.
No. Austin. Carter Walters.
Okay.
What's it say?
Or Josh.
I killed Josh.
What does it
I
say?
kissed Carter and I married
Yes, but no.
What does it say? What does it say?
Licato.
Ah.
Josh has got
No,
a
I wasn't reading them.
Okay, well close your eyes and pick it.
Yeah, close your eyes. Cut hand.
Eat a handful of bacon bits or Sour Patch Kids.
Do we have any Sour Patch Kids?
Goodbye.
Sour Patch Kids, Sour Patch Kids. Oh no, we have Sour Patch Kids. You got me because I won't.
Okay, so these aren't really Sour Patch Kids. They're the ones that, like, this gone.
But hey.
There's still Sour Patch Kids. It says Sour Patch Kids on the front. So.
What does it look like?
Give me one. Go. Jive.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
What kind of face?
Go.
Whose turn is it? On my phone.
That'll be your last time. Be the ending. Too long the video.
This is stupid.
What?
Look at Rock.
You're the one that put that in there.
I'll go get one. Go from the video. How far is it? See it? It tastes like disgusting. Alright,
What are you reading on?
Hi, that's good, and you little nutcracker.
And Kyle, you haven't done one in a while, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're dead.
Do something that Josh makes up, or same thing, but with Jacob.
Huh?
What?
Like,
Do something that I make up or something that he makes up.
like a dare.
Can I pick Kyle?
Nope,
No, that's
Jacob
not the
or
thing.
Josh?
Gotta pick Kyla.
Josh.
Dude, he's about to do something worse.
This ain't that good.
Well, I was gonna ask you for a little hot sauce.
You know.
Crack an egg over his head, Josh.
No, but you know.
No, no,
Crack an egg. Crack an egg. Crack an
It's
egg.
either eat a spoonful of that horseradish
or crack an egg.
or crack an egg. Which one do you want? You want crack an egg?
Trust me,
What do you
this
want?
is not worth it, Austin.
It's good stuff. It's not hot at all.
Yes, it is. My pop almost died eating it.
Which one do you want to eat?
Awesome. Yeah.